Hello, friends. Good morning, all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss on BSc TY CH 343 in organic chemistry. Okay, so in which today we are discuss first chapter carb anion and their reaction. So in this chapter we are discuss on introduction of carb anion and their reaction. So then introduction carb anion formation. Okay. So carb anion formation form removal of atoms of group. Okay. So they may be different types of groups. Okay. So next carb anion formation from alkenes and alkynes. Then we are also discuss carb anion formation from electron withdrawing substituent. And lastly, we are discuss a carb anion formation from carbonyl compound. Okay. So now here we are discuss first introduction of formation of carb anion. Okay. So first of all we discuss a carb anion. Left side first figure it is a carb anion. Okay, so this is the carb anion and it is sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, so in its lone pair electron. Okay, so they carb anion act as a nucleophile. Okay, so first right hand side formation of carbon ion. Okay, so first this is the basic reaction. Methane forms a carbon ion by heterolytic fission. Okay, methane molecules heterolytically fission, it gives carb anion and H plus. Okay, so example, suppose in this carbonyl group, carbonyl compound reacts with amine to form say carb anion plus NH3. Next example, NO2 group containing compounds reacts with OH minus. Okay, so these OH minus hydroxy group abstract a proton to forms carb anion plus water molecule. Okay, so now here structure and formation of carbon ion. So last lecture we are discuss a carbon ion. So okay, here we are discuss structure and formation of carbon ion. Okay, in this reactive chemical intermediate species carrying negative charge on carbon is known as carb anion. Okay, negatively charged species. Okay, and it has tetrahedral geometry, means it sp3 hybridized. Okay, carbon ion is generally formed by removal of atoms or groups. Okay, also forms these carbon ion reacts with base or metal to form say carb anion. Okay, so in this reaction, okay, alkyl alkyl group X is the hydrogen atoms and Y is the base. There are different types of base. Suppose sodamide. Okay, NaNH2, KNH2, metal alkoxide like NaOR, KOR means alkyl group. These Y minus it act as a strong base. Okay, X is the proton from alkane. Okay, saturated alkane, these three R1, R2, R3 donate electrons to forms a plus I effect. Okay, so it becomes X is acidic. Okay, so these X means hydrogen abstract Y minus to form say carb anions, and this is conjugate base. Okay, so these carb anions geometry is tetrahedral. Okay, tetrahedral sp3 hybridized, and its dihedral angle is 109.5 degree. Okay, so now this first reaction in all means alkane acidic proton reacts with strong base Y minus to form say carbon ions and tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so here example formation of carb anion. Okay, first methyl cyanide or acetonitrile forms a carbon ion. Second, nitromethane CH3NO2 also forms a carbon anion. Similarly, acetaldehyde, acetone, ester, trifluoromethane, etc. These species reacts with base to form a carb anion, and these nitrile group, nitro group, aldehydic group, carbonyl group, ester group stabilize the conjugate effect and stabilize the anions. Okay, so last reaction base in first last reaction first second last acetonitrile reacts with base to form a conjugate nitrile anion. Okay. Similarly, methyl nitromethane reacts with base to form say carb anion. Okay, and these carbon ion stabilize by using a conjugation. Nitro group delocalize these anions to stabilize the carb anion. Okay, so here also forms a form Grignard's reagent. Okay, methyl magnesium bromides. Okay, so dissociate to form say carb anion, and its carb anions is sp3 hybridized. Okay, so carb anions and dissociate to forms Mg plus and Br minus. So this second reaction. So in this acetaldehyde reacts with OH minus means strong base. Acetaldehyde consists a alpha hydrogen atoms act as a acidic proton. Okay, so this acetaldehyde reacts with base to form say carb anions. These carb anion carbon containing negative charge. These negative charge delocalize through carbonyl group. Carbon ion carbonyl means delocalize to forms a enolate ion. Okay, enolate of aldehyde anion. Okay, so in this last reaction, so acetone reacts with base to form say acetone carb anion, and these anion also stabilize through resonance and forms a enolate anion. Okay, so now next example carbon ion formation. Okay, so in any compound carbon hydrogen or nearly all organic compounds that contain hydrogen carbon hydrogen bond can function as a acid or donating a proton to suitable base to give a carb anion. Okay, so carb carbon acid, okay, CH groups reacts with base to form a carb anion. Okay, so these generating carb anions then by proton remove by base. Okay, so There are one more example of formation of carbon ion. Okay, next carbon carb anion formation. First, remove groups or X to form say carb anions. Okay, so here trialkyl halides or trialkyl X is the maybe any halide groups or living groups. They react with base to forms a carb anion. Okay, means carbon ion forms a removal of a atoms or groups. Here trialkyl X. X is the halogen, means chlorine. Okay, chlorine reacts with Y, any types of base. Okay, to form say X, Y and carb anion. So another example, triphenyl methyl chloride. Okay, so these triphenyl methyl chloride reacts with sodium metal. Okay, so these chlorine removed by sodium metal to forms a triphenyl methyl carb anion. Okay, so this carb anion is more stable because of conjugation equilibrium. Okay, these carbon ion delocalized through 3 benzene, so highly stabilized these anion. That's why this carbon ion is more stable carbon ion. Okay, so means formation of carbon ion in triphenyl methyl chloride in presence of sodium metal to form say triphenyl methyl carbon ion is more stable because of conjugation effect. Here formation of carbon ion by alkane, alkene and alkene group. Alkane means sp3 hybridized carbon, alkene means sp2 hybridized carbon atom and alkyne is sp hybridized carbon atom. Okay, suppose ethane. Ethane, its sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it consists 25% of S character. Okay, and ethylene, ethylene 33.3% S character and acetylene 50% S character. Means increasing acidic character increase the stability of anion. Okay, so S character of the CH bond or S character of compound increase, acidic character increase. S character increase, acidic character increase and hence chance of carb anion formation also increase. Okay, so next example, electron withdrawing substituent. Okay, so formation of carbon ion also affect the electron withdrawing substituent. They may be positive inductive effect, they may be negative inductive effect. Okay, so if electron withdrawing group present in compound to form say negative I effect, negative inductive effect, and these increasing negative inductive effect to forms a more stable compound or more stable carb anion. Okay, the electron withdrawing atoms or group present in the molecule increase acidity of hydrogen atoms on carbon atoms. Okay, so here example, trifluoromethane and tetra uh, trifluoromethyl trimethyl second is more pKa value, means more acidic proton as compared to trifluoromethane. Okay, trifluoromethane its pKa value 28 and trifluoro trialkyl methane its pKa value is 11. Okay, so 11 is more acidic proton or more stabilize the anion. Okay, so here electron withdrawing substituent more effect on stabilization of carb anion or formation of carb anions. Okay, so now here a pKa value, suppose acetonitrile example, acetonitrile, second is the acetone, third is the nitromethane, fourth is the dinitromethane. Okay, acetone in which nitrile groups are present, and acetone consists two methyl groups, donating groups, and nitromethane consists NO2 act as a electron withdrawing, and dinitromethane in it two nitro groups withdrawing effect, means minus I effect, means increasing the negative, means increase the peak, decrease the pKa value, increasing the electron minus I effect to decrease the pKa value. Decrease the pKa value, it means increase the acidic character of hydrogen. Okay, so nitromethane is less acidic proton as compared to dinitromethane. Okay, so here acetonitrile, acetonitrile and nitromethane. Acetonitrile, its pKa 25 and nitromethane, its pKa 10.2. It means that nitromethane is more acidic as compared to acetonitrile. More acidic, it means nitromethane easily forms a carb anion as compared to acetonitrile. Okay, so dinitromethane, its pKa 4. Okay, so nitromethane, its pKa 10.2. It means that dinitromethane in which carb anion easily form as compared to nitromethane, because its pKa value is less as compared to dinitromethane. Similarly shown in table, methane pKa value 43, ethylene 37, benzene 37, means suppose ethylene and methane in which methane has high pKa value, it means ethylene is easily forms a carb anion as compared to methane. Okay, similarly on similarly in other group. Okay, so here we are also discuss a formation of carb anion forms by carbonyl compound containing carb anion formation. Okay, so here small concentration of carb anion must be developed in aqueous solution even from less acidic carbonyl compound. Okay, so here aldehyde, aldehyde reacts with OH minus to forms a carb anion. Okay, carbonyl group, acetaldehyde in which carbonyl group. Okay, so these carbonyl group containing alpha hydrogen atom is a acidic, and then these acidic proton abstract by base to forms a carbon ion and forms a enolate anion. Okay, similarly acetone, it consists a carbonyl group, and these carbonyl group act as a electron withdrawing. Okay, so it becomes alpha hydrogen atom more acidic, and these acidic proton reacts with base to forms a carb anion, and these delocalize through carbonyl group to forms a enolate anion. Okay, so today we are discuss a introduction of carb carb anion and formation of carb anion. Okay. Next lecture we are discuss on carb anion stabilization, factors affecting in carb anion stabilization. There are different factors are affected in carb anion stabilization. Then we are discuss a reaction involving carb anions. There are different types of reaction involves in carb anion. They may be act as a Lewis base or nucleophile. Depends on reaction. Now we are stop here. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.